I cried a tear, you wiped it dry. I was confused, you cleared my mind. I sold my soul, you put it back for me. You held me up, you gave me dignity. Somehow you needed me. You gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world out on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me, you needed me. I can't believe it's you, I can't believe it's true. I needed you, and you were there. And I'll never live, why should I live? I'd be a fool. I finally found someone who really cares. You held my hand when I was cold, when I was lost. You took me home, you gave me love when I was at the end, and turned my life back into truth again. You haven't called me friend, you gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world out on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me, you needed me. Happy Mother's Day! Kinikilig naman ako sa siya'y na lalaki. Tipong ligaw, tingin, huwag mong kausapin na pipipi. Pero award ka, hindi makuha sa lambing. Pati patwitans kung tulad ko'y nababaturi. Maaari bang malaman ko kung feel na feel mo na sabihin? Sana ay sabihin na ito, request ng puso ko ikaw. Punta man ay katsong ako nang maliligaw. Panayang katsong tropa kong babae. Ilusyon lang daw ang feelings ko sa isang torpe. Ngunit isang araw biglang tumunog umibig ko. Inimutay ko sa message mo na I love you.